Point number three, lack of vision. When a project manager fails to articulate a clear, compelling vision for the project and the team, it can truly lead to a lack of purpose and direction among on the team members. And that really is going to have a project. I mean, you're going to be on a, as they say, an uphill battle if you're not able to articulate that vision. That's why one of the biggest things is once you get that charter, and then once you get out of the initiating phases and you have the charter. I said, to me, the charter is more like a marketing magnet, in a sense in which you're literally, if someone wants to ask you about the project, you can give them that high level and say, hey, we're in planning phase. We're going to do a deeper dive to unpack what this project is supposed to look like in the long term. And so actionable steps is you want to ensure you develop a project vision statement that aligns with the organization's strategic goals and values, and communicate this vision to all team members and stakeholders. Because if we fail to do that, then it goes back to my, if you don't plan to fail, then you fail on planning, or if you fail to plan and you plan to fail. You get where I'm going with this, family. The point I'm trying to make is that it's important, no matter of fact, it's imperative that we focus on articulating out what the vision statement is for this particular project. And a lot of times you will get that information from the business case, or via the project charter, or just get the project sponsor into a meeting with you, and